Hey everyone, my name is Rachel from Old Man Mountain, and today I'm going to show you how to install axle pack. Today the tools you'll be needing is a 4mm and 6mm hex, bits for the torque wrench, pliers, diagonal cutters, scissors, Loctite, and assembly grease. Our axle pack mounts to our thru axle fit kit, which includes 2 protective pieces of tape, front axle, 8 zip ties, 2 pucks, and a hardware kit. Be sure to use the included zip ties because they're super strong and UV stable. First, we'll start with removing the axle. Compare your axle to the one provided in your fit kit. The axle's thread pitch should match. The shaft length should be within plus or minus 2 millimeters. Next, we'll install the Robert Axle Project thru axle. Apply some grease. Thread it in, and torque it to 10 newton-meters. Next, we'll be installing the axle pack. As you can see, the foot is offset to allow compatibility with a much wider range of forks. With the standard installation, the foot would be facing forward, and the logo would be facing backward. If that doesn't work for your fork, you can always flip it around and face it backwards. Next, attach your axle pack to the axle with the 20mm hex bolt and split washers from Hardware Kit 4. Don't forget to apply Loctite or grease to all bolts. Snug it up for now. We'll torque it later. Now get the pucks ready to install. We make the following 3 styles: puck A, puck B, puck C. Puck A should be installed with the hex nut slot facing your wheel. Puck B needs to have the threaded barrel inserted into the puck. The chamfer on the threaded barrel should face the fork. Puck C should be installed with the brass insert against the fork. Bolt the mounting puck to your axle pack at the top slot using Hardware Kit number 6 or number 7, depending on which came with your fit kit. Puck A will use the 10mm spacers and bolts from Hardware Kit 12. With the puck attached to the axle pack, you can rotate it in line with your fork to see where you'll install the clear protective tape. Before peeling the backing off the protective tape, wrap it around your fork to measure how much to cut off so it doesn't overlap. Cut to that length and install the protective tape. Swing the axle pack back into place and install the pucks using our special zip ties. To make the install easier, you can put the zip ties head down in a cup of hot water to soften them up. To tighten the zip ties with pliers, roll the head of the pliers against the head of the zip tie. You can cut your zip ties with a pair of pliers, and nail clippers work well too. Finally, we'll torque all the hardware. For puck B, you go to 6 newton-meters. If you have puck A and C, you go to 3 newton-meters, and the bolt attaching the axle pack to the axle is also 3 newton-meters. And that's it. Now you're ready to put on your favorite cargo cage, bolt on pannier, and you're ready to ride.